So I want you to watch very carefully, please. Did anybody spot the gorilla? Put your hands up who spot the gorilla. It's under half the audience. Now, did anybody spot anything else? Did anybody spot the curtain changing colour and one of the players walking off? And didn't know about this trick beforehand? No one? Oh dear, shame. We'll refer to the gorilla a bit later, actually. There he is. Alright, so there's a purpose to this. It's about engagement. And yes, our friend the gorilla will be talking about later. And actually, if I asked a different question, which spot 3 things in this video, you would have approached it in a completely different way. So what I'd like to do now is set the backdrop ready for the session and tell you some things about the industry that probably some of you already know, and I'll tell you some things maybe you don't know and try to join it up in a different type of story. So why don't we start with this slide? Here we go. Oh, wrong way. Okay, so first of all, we talk about some facts. 50% of the population in a lot of countries do not go to the cinema at all. And I still find that really quite an intriguing fact. In the US, it's more like 35%. In the UK, it's actually 50%. In countries like Poland, it's probably north of 65% of people don't go to the cinema ever. And the actual attendance, the actual frequency of attendance for cinema going is about 6.5